good afternoon. So, medyo madilim dito ngayon sa kwarto namin guys kasi clinose ko yung bintana kasi mainit guys. Saktong-sakto dun sa araw kaya clinose ko. Yes, so nag-upload ako ng guys, ng video. Sana sipagin ako mag-video, no? Para may vlog ako everyday. Kasi this past few days, talaga guys, tinatamad ako. Ewan ko kung bakit. So guys, ayun, alam nyo ba nag-pray ako guys na, na sana may manood naman dito sa, sa vlog ko, diba? Tapos, nung kaninang umaga, sabi ko, surprise me! And then pagkita ko, nabawasan. Na-surprise ako guys. Sobra. Nabawasan. No, we didn't cut chicken.
Then what you did? I see that you were not active today.
Really? Mm-hmm. I saw the curtain.
Huh? Check out.
Sewing machine.
Sewing machine? We don't have. You sew the...
Sewing. Ay, it's sewing. May earrings. Hello guys, good afternoon. So, punta kami sa Penny. Pero, iwan namin tong sasakyan daw niya dyan sa may kanto. Tapos, maglalakad kami pupuntang Penny. Diba? We're going to walk.
Walk in the car. We are with the car though. We go with the car straight there.
We go with the car.
It's too hot though. Anyway, 35 degrees.
Okay.
It's under.
Nililito niya ako.
Mad.
You're
This is
lito-litoing
mad.
me.
This guy is mad. He's mad. He's mad over something.
Why do we need to buy car nuts when you have the fish?
The fish is just a little. I want to fry something. Fish is just for later.
You want to eat right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Bili kami ng car nuts ko, cash kabal guys. Wow. And he's going to the right. This one or the first?
I can make you yes, I suppose. Gracias. I don't get him. What is he
Because
doing?
his car's big. Mayroon kasing malaking sasakyan dun sa sa tabi. Siya, parang nagmo-moving siya. Tapos
I was confused. What is he doing?
Siya, parang minivan. Minibus. Tapos may makakasalubong kaming sasakyan din. Ayun, parang hindi magkaintindihan kung saan siya liliko. No? That's why.
I was confused. What is this guy doing?
Everyone get confused. That's why. Yung isang isang driver,
okay.
parang sinasabi niya, dumiretso ka, pag mo pa kasi malaki yung sasakyan, guys. Oops. Malaki kasi yung sasakyan.
In no places.
It feels like I'm not feeling well today.
Why? From the heat, I think. Yeah, from the heat outside. Like to buy water?
I have water.
We have also. Mineral.
I think you have. But you don't have water for tomorrow.
I'm going for tomorrow. I need to buy one.
Kasi ang usapan namin guys, we talked that he's going to drink water at work. He's only going to drink cola if he's at home. That is our agreement.
I don't think I'm gonna drink at all.
Which one?
Cola.
Yeah, it's up to you, but our agreement is to drink more water because, it is much better to drink more. Ayan guys, yung ibon.
You have that birds there in the Philippines?
I do not know. I think we don't have.
They are big. They are traveling birds.
Guys, ito yung municipality nila. Vladimirsky town. Tignan nyo guys, oh, may malaking ano doon. May malaking orasan. Tapos may temperature.
It's hot outside. Believe me, it's very, very hot.
May ano din doon guys, pang charger ng electric car.
Now we have here, even inside which our cars, we have electrical cars also for, you know, vested cars. So
Ganito kaganda dito sa kanila guys kasi
Especially
parang
for
accessible. It seems like your town is accessible to everything.
but the city it's nearby, you know. The city is nearby.
Kasi guys, ang ganda dito yung ano din nila, yung car wash nila.
They will
Self-service
open
nga lang.
Yeah, they open really well.
Malapit. May malapit na dito guys. Tapos, ano pa ba? Parang, you know, it's like ano, also Bucharest.
Bucharest, yeah.
The
Bucharest
difference is the buildings there is
Bucharest
tall.
is very big.
Tall?
difference.
Higher?
But
What?
Bucharest is the capital, is the biggest.
Yeah,
2 million
yeah.
people there. Love. Imagine here, 150,000 people in Arad city, and you know Bucharest being 2 million. It's very big difference. Plus, it's capital of the country.
Dito na kami sa Penny. Dito kami sa Penny. Are we going to bring the bag?
But you need, no?
It seems like I am sound like a kind person today. No?
You only today you kind of want to say. Oh my God, don't you think so?
Ay, may makaka-copyright tayo, guys. What do you like to buy?
Mr. Basic.
Huh?
Not Mr. Basic, but
What basic? Hey, what do you like to buy?
food there at the flight.
Then why are we here?
Water, no?
With syrup?
No.
It seems like masarap.
Which one, don't you?
But I like this one also. I don't like that one. Me, I like this one.
Oh, it's good.
Coco, this one?
Buy two like that?
You like?
No.
Let's eat in the car. Because I like it.
Wait,
Huh?
so this
Oh my God, I look so pangit, no?
Look at really how you get me. See? Use that one. Sure. Someone there.
Which
We
one?
crossed us.
Let me see. This one?
No, the lady. No, the lady.
She blocked me already. May nakita kasi siya,
No,
guys.
she
Baka,
isn't.
what is this? My hair.
Oh my God, Omni. So
May
much
nakita kasi
hair.
siya, guys, na parang foreigner. So, baka
I thought
inaakala
that I
niya na
saw
baka
foreigner wife.
Pinoy.
So, no, not Pinoy. I don't know what to read.
So, guys, magluluto ako ng rice.
Risotto rice
Give me the rice.
and the carrots, please.
Prinito ko na yung carrots niya.
Oh,
That one? You ask her if
oh, it
she...
is open here. There is also. So, It's enough, this one, no?
Then you open that one to put here. I need... So guys, ang gagawin ko kasi kailangan kong
Oh my god, guy in the kitchen. Oh my god. Isn't that weird?
No. Last time, nagluto ako ng 1.5 cup. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay...
Oh, my sisters.
Put here.
What's richer? Like someone said. Rice.
Go, get the ano and...
Put more? Right
No,
there.
get the ano, the lagayan. And...
I put this all also, or? Can I put all?
Really?
No.
Okay.
That's more rice. That's it for rice only.
The chair.
7 big rice.
Okay.
It's enough for us, for both.
Okay, okay. No, not too much. Not too much.
Like this only I put. It's not too much, it's just a tiny bit.
You know, you're not allowed to eat too much rice because this is carbohydrates. Like, if you eat this, do not eat bread. You know? Don't you know that? Because this is full of carbohydrates.
No, I don't know, I'm not nutritionist, so
This is carbohydrates with sugar. You know? Hey, why don't you work that on the table? Come on.
oh, I've got my back.
Yeah, your back is back.
Back, don't me. Like someone said. Someone famous said, I'm back. That one, like this, told me, perfectos. I don't want to try, don't me. What I should do?
Ang ano kasi dito guys, mahirap yung kaserola nila, mahirap magluto sa kanin. Mahirap magluto ng kanin. Kaya kailangan pag nagluto, binabantayan. Ay, lobas. It's good.
Why do people love rice?
Because this is the substitute. Because this is how we eat. This is what we learn. How to eat.
What about bread?
We eat bread as a snack.
Oh my god, love, you have to charge. You know that, you have to charge.
So, got it. So, yun lang guys. See you later again. That's why I'm getting big now. Guys, look at this. What we have. Kokwa, no?
Yeah. Coco.
Are you okay? Is this expensive or cheap?
Well,
This one. Ito yung binili namin kanina, guys. Ang sarap. Tag-isa kami. Tapos may binili kaming isa. Isa lang. Kasi sabi niya, di ba na daw natikman yun? So, share kami dun. No? Your B. OOB. Let's watch Korean movie. Series. The one that I'm looking last time. Guys, hinahanap namin yung fairy praise. Hindi namin mahanap. Kasi comedy yun. Can you find them? Can you search it? Korean?
wow.
What is that? Huh?
Korean, I just said.
The title. Nag-play siya ng ano. What is that? Guys, manonood kami ng it's already 7 here, guys. So,
I'm going to watch the game. Football.
later.
No, no,
Sorry,
it's
I'm
7
not gonna
start.
show your ano.
At 7 is
So,
starting.
guys, we're going to watch Uncanny Encounter Season 2.
But with you I just watch 10 minutes.
Then go, I will watch alone. Kasi gusto niya daw manood ng football. So, sabi ko, punta na lang siya. It's okay if I will watch alone. Don't be. I will get angry. Don't be.
Ay, nako.
We're playing. Do you know
Huh.
this game? No, like this. No, like this. Yan naman ito. Watch lang kami ng Uncanny Encounter, guys. So, see you later. Baby Damulag. What is that?
Fish.
Guys, first time ko makatikim dito ng sprout fish.
Yeah.
I think like it is much nice. This is smoked fish, guys. I think I like it better if we fry them. Masarap, guys.
Right?
Tinapa!
Something. What is it?
Tinapa, guys.
Amazing, look at this. Look, come here. Head. In the head. I eat.
Kumain na kami kanina, guys. Tapos ngayon, gutom siya. Masarap to iprito. This is masarap if you fry them. Ayun o, guys. Kita ba? Sarap.